In the background is a Marriott Courtyard in Fishkill. They were lucky enough to hire us in 1990 to install their new roof. As you can see, has suffered no damage from the effects of the tornado that swept through the Hudson Valley 2 weeks ago. Unlike our friends at the Hilton Garden Inn, who suffered major damage throughout the building when corporate hired a no-name roofing contractor. Though it pays to hire the right roofing contractor the first time, learn your lesson, hire the right roofing contractor the second time. Roberts Contracting Inc., 566-7663. Again, we thank our friends at the Marriott Courtyard for their confidence in us back in 1990.